up, YouTubers? Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic as always. And it is time for us to push our rudiments a bit further. Anytime I learn a new rudiment, I do exactly what most of us do, I would assume, which is I learn the rudiment, I get the sticking pattern down, I get comfortable with it, and then I immediately try to apply it to the kit as is. So let's say for this whole video, we're gonna use a standard paradiddle. So let's say it's a paradiddle. The first thing I'm gonna do is play it as a groove. And then I might obsess on the speed and I'm gonna play it as a 30-second note fill. And then a lot of times my journey would end right there. Like, hey, I got it fast, I played it as a groove and a fill, I'm good to go. There is so much more for you to get out of your rudiments. And in this video, I'm gonna show you my 3 favorite ways to get more out of my rudiments and get them to a place that they're almost unrecognizable. I might actually show you a 4th one that kind of broke Instagram about 2 weeks ago. Let's get into the first one. So this is a great way to work on your rudiments, especially if it's a new rudiment for you and the sticking pattern is just hard to remember. This will help you memorize it, commit it to muscle memory. I'm just playing paradiddles between floor tom and snare drum. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. That is all that I'm doing, but I'm putting a bass drum in between every single note. And then obviously I work on the speed and the clarity, but I also work on the dynamics. So as I get faster and faster and faster, I try to pop the accents of paradiddle, 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 and bring all the other notes down. All right, now the second one is super spicy. So for this one, I'm just playing paradiddles with my feet. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. But in between every foot, I'm putting right, right, left. So right, left, right. We're gonna be here for a while. Left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Let's give it a shot, nice and slow. And yes, let's do it together. Goal tempo on this one is 30-second notes at about 100 BPM. I'll start with a groove just so you can hear me get into it and it's like, oh, maybe that might be a spicy little fill. All right, on to exercise number 3. Now the concept behind this one isn't anything crazy or anything groundbreaking, but I think the orchestration is what really makes it special. So I'm still just playing single paradiddles now with my hands, but the orchestration is ride, snare, 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 rack, floor, snare, snare, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. What makes it unique is that I'm playing the paradiddles as triplets. Like I said, that's not groundbreaking, but getting used to even just that on its own, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, paradiddle, paradiddle, and getting used to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a. That is not easy. Nice and slow. biscuits. With the left foot eighth notes, that was freaking tough. All right, goal tempo on this one is about 80 BPM. All right, and last but not least, the bonus fourth exercise, the one that kind of broke Instagram's brain a couple weeks ago, it sounds like this. So after posting that on Instagram, so many people said, I don't hear a paradiddle. There's no paradiddle going on there. Let me break it down for you. Here's what I'm playing. All I'm playing is right, left, kick the entire time. Right, left, kick, that's it. I'm playing that as 16th notes against a quarter note pulse. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. So that on its own takes plenty of independence. I don't think I can keep talking to you while doing this. We'll just stop right there. So that is literally all that I'm playing. So where does the paradiddle come in? It comes in with the accents. In right, holy shit, that hurt way more than I was expecting it to, but whatever. Let's go a little softer. In right, left, kick, I have a right, left, kick, and I have a left, left, kick. So every time I play those three notes, right, left, kick, I'm choosing, do I accent the right or the left? And I'm accenting in paradiddle form. So check it out. Right, left, kick, right. I'm gonna bring them all down. Kick, right, left, 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 right, right, left, right, left, left. That's where the paradiddle is. And then I move those accents to the toms. Goal tempo on this one is between 110 and 120. I'll play it at 120 for you. It's so freaking musical, and no one would guess that you're just playing right, left, kick and that you're accenting in paradiddle form. So YouTubers, I hope you got a ton out of this. Like I said, all of these exercises, you can just apply them to any rudiment or any sticking pattern you want. And if you want tons more stuff just like this, click on the link in the description below for the 7-day free trial on mikeslessons.com. Gives you a full week to decide whether my teaching style works for you or not. And all I'm asking is that you give me a chance. But for now, mess around with this stuff, have fun with it, tweak it just enough to make it your own, and I'll see you guys next time.